Hello everyone, this is Divya and I am here to presenting topic Farmer Suicide, what needs to be done. In according to NCRB report, there are lots of cases of farmer suicide. In 2021, the report shows there is 10,000 farmers were suicides, and in 2022 there are 11,990 approx farmers are suicidal. The report says that the farmer suicidal cases was increased day by day. The reason is anti-farmer law and high debt burden, the crop failures and lack of technologies, and also some family issues and personal problems. There are some mental health problems. The farmer was not the farmer's mental health was not good, not well. So the farmers do this. According to me, there was lots of changes, like give them some subsidies for their cultivation, and give him interest in simple low rates, and give them crop failure security, and give them the water management supplies technologies, and also give them some mental health issues, like some farmers are attached to their crops, and if the crops are failed, the farmers feel that they were failed. So do for that. Thank you.